Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about using marker in plotting. But before that I want to explain how we can reduce the number of points in XLabel. As I mentioned before, in every plotting method you should have these 4 line codes that you can run your plot. Okay, let's write the code. Fig adds equal plt.subplots. And then we have one space, x equal mp.linspace 0, 1, 20. As you can see, I just replace 100 with 20. And then we have y equal x. And finally, x.scatter x and y. Okay, let's run the code. For clarification of the plot, we should definitely reduce the number of points. Let's start to talk about marker. As you can see, I just bring some markers that we can use and change in our plot. For instance, point, s equal square, star, o equal 0, 1 equal 3 down, and 2 equal 3 up. Okay, let's try an example. Pick x equal lt.subplots. Here we have one space, x equal mp.linspace 0, 1, 25, y equal x 2, and finally x.scatter x and y. And we have one more option here, that is marker. I want to try, for instance, 2. Okay, let's run the code. If I replace it with a star, for instance. Okay, that's so cool. As you can see, we can change our marker if we want to have a different shape in our plot. Okay, in final part of in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can use more than one marker in our plot. That makes our plot so colorful and different. Okay, let's try it. Fig x equal (0.1, 1, and 25. And then we have one space, funcs equal np.sin mp.cos mp.log. Then we have markers equal, I want to choose, for instance, 1, comma, P, and D. So, and then we have leg equal 3 up, pixel, pentagon, and thin diamond. And after one space, for F, M, leg, in zip, files, markers, legs, and then x dot scatter x f marker equal m and label equal leg. Finally, x dot grid and x dot legend. Okay, let's run the code. As you can see in this figure, by using different markers, we have different shapes and colors. Also, by using grid and legend methods, our plot became so different. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope I could make it easy for you to understand. And see you again.